Ladies and gentlemen, this is Sean Harrison. He is doing a reading for us. Let us listen to the words.
Right. This is my book, As I Reminisce, speaking to life, growing up in my home parish of St. Thomas, my beautiful parish. There are various pieces that speak to biographical accounts of persons I knew, and also just life in general in my home parish, growing up in my home parish in St. Thomas, pieces of poetry. The first piece I do is entitled Full Time, and it's a dialect piece. Me tired of the foolishness we are going right here now, you know. Me no know what do some with Jamaicans, so. I know so we used to live in a time gone by. You can't imagine how them something must make God hard cry. The good book said judgment must start in my very house. So they are the first place me I go hear me goes. Every day with Christian get up about, I have been saved by grace. That true, but no, we now go see God face. We pass the hungry and helpless coming to church and going, but claim all the while saying the Lord will growing and growing. Collect the whole heap of offering and preach, return your tithe. Save it, build big church and show it off with empty pride. While the temple our heart and body broke right down so till. But we are beg and scream and tarry every night we get filled. We never stop to notice how most politicians fat. A Jamaican blood, sweat, tears and ignorance response for that. Next champagne TV are cussing a parliament like husband and wife, and behind the camera them a heat and laugh with one another and a big shot life. Sit down a prayer breakfast, so them a intercede. I give a gun under the quiet and make the violence breed. When them conscience can't take the state of things no more, only God can help us. Someone who never know that before. And the excuse, when you make me think say when you could have played the role, make pay a big liar promise like when you can steal man's soul. All the people who love put them hand to iniquity, say the boy too bright and the lady daughter too pretty. The spell on the cast going to come right back on the same one. For when God ready him to ram for mash up on all their working plan. And my Lord, oh man, for ram and vandalize this struggling basic school. You know what, the little people them to grow up to a nation and fool. Look how the country blessed with so much good food. If you can't afford it and walk where a vendor tell you something rude, no business with no one, talk any word come out. And when people cost clot, we might be jails it out. Full time we understand, said the father looking down. And they almost sure say I found that man I found. For just like how we would have wanted to see we Pitney go right, where take place today are not pleasing in hindsight. Make we think as a country about where we're coming from. For we was a God-fearing people. What happened to Jamaica land? We blame no jobs and system for all the hills and crime. But every man have a choice to make a time we know full time. So stay the wait for government do them responsible too. But the change we all been seeking starting on me and you. God no make no robot. We choose the path we take. So choose righteousness, my people, before we run to wreck. When me hear on TV about them, they breed a crime. Me only shake my head and say, wake up, turn back to God, Jamaica, full time. Thank you.